Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday, and the Lead Code weekly contest just ended, I think 15 minutes ago, and we are ready to upload all the solutions for the contest 383. So let's start. I'll be posting three videos, each solution for each, one solution for each question, and three videos because the question number 2 and question number 4 will be having the same solution because they are basically the same question, only the time limit, the time limit needs to be taken care of. So let's begin. We'll be starting from our first question. The first question basically says, yeah, that the ants are moving. Ants are reading these array elements, and if they read 2 they move up, and if they read 3 they go down. We just have to return the number of times the ant come to position 0. Okay, so I'll just explain you like this. So assume this is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. Ant is initially at this position, right? And whenever the ant reads 2 it goes in the positive direction, and whenever an ant reads a positive number, it goes in positive direction. And again, whenever an ant reads a positive number, which is 3, it goes to positive direction, 3, 2. And whenever ant reads a negative number, it goes in the negative direction, that is 5. So we just have to return the number of times the ant comes to this position, which is at the x coordinate. So it's a simple question, nothing much to do here. We'll just be declaring a variable s equals to 0. I don't know why does the color, why does it becomes a red color. Okay, s equals to 0, and okay, s equals to 0, and an account count will be storing the number of times the ant comes to this position, that is also will be 0. And s will be storing the current sum for a in nums. Okay, s plus equals to a. Now if s becomes 0, that means we have reached x coordinate. Okay, so count plus equals to 1 plus equals to 1, right? And that's it, we'll be returning the count. Let's run it, try to run it. It's running properly. Let's submit it. Accepted. Okay, so now let's move on to the next question. Will be in the next video.